Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy mushroom pasta. First, gather your fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready to go. Next, we'll cook the pasta to a perfect al dente, which is crucial for the dish's texture. Then, we'll sauté those mushrooms until they're beautifully golden. Finally, we'll bring it all together with a luxurious creamy sauce. Let's get our ingredients ready. You'll want to slice about 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms, aiming for even pieces. Next, finely mince 3 cloves of fresh garlic to release their aromatic oils. Don't forget to chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley for a vibrant finish. Finally, measure out 1 cup of rich heavy cream, which forms the base of our sauce. Now let's get cooking. Boil 12 ounces of your favorite pasta in generously salted water until it's perfectly al dente. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and sauté your sliced mushrooms until they are beautifully golden brown. Once browned, add the minced garlic and cook for about 1 minute. Then, deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of dry white wine. For the grand finale, let's make that creamy sauce. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken slightly. Add your cooked pasta directly to the sauce, tossing to coat every strand. Stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until melted and smooth. Garnish with fresh parsley and a generous grind of black pepper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.